What does it say in the front?
Oh.
Noah, turn around. You gotta look at me, buddy. Turn the other way.
I don't see any answer.
To Noah from Mommy and Daddy.
Oh, epic. Where? I don't see it.
I'm telling you.
Babe, turn him around so he's looking at me.
Turn around this one.
What is in this?
Turn it around. You might get used to it.
Oh.
It's okay, Noah. It's okay, Noah. Are you happy? Yeah? What did you get? Show Daddy what you got. He can't even see it.
Did you get it for me?
Me and Daddy did. Can you get it out?
How much was this?
It was a lot of money because Noah's been he's going to be a really, really good boy. Right?
It was $189, right?
Well, not quite that much.
Epic Ninja set.
That's nothing.
I just want to open this now.
No.
Yeah, let's open this. Woo!
You made it.
Okay, he's now gone. Hold on, Noah. Come here.